Copy that.
Why are you dressed up like that?
Well, growing up, it was always my dream to be in the Secret Service or a bodyguard. So I thought I would dress up the part and see what I'd look like.
Well, with WAGO's Media Access Control Security, or MacSec Industrial Managed Switches, you don't need to dress up for anything.
Yeah, but it still needs accessories, like these sunglasses, so I can do my job right.
I guess. Regardless, these MacSec switches are on the cutting edge, allowing users to easily implement network encryption in the building or on their plant floor.
But they still won't work unless you have one of these, a trusty Ethernet cable from WAGO, ensuring your switch will run at max capacity.
There are two types of MacSec switches available. The 852.1322 that has 6 ports that are not encrypted for local communications and 2 of them available for encryption, or the 852.1328 with 2 fiber optic ports for encryption for longer distances.
Speaking of distances, we have Ethernet cables in lengths of 3, 6, 9, 16, 25, and 32 feet, giving you all types of options for your application.
WAGO's MacSec Industrial Managed Switches,
along with WAGO's Ethernet cables that make it a safe 2 for Tuesday.
Read more, watch our video, and view the MacSec Switches options by going to our website at www.wago.com/us/MacSec-switches.
And if you want to see all of our Ethernet cable options and lengths, simply click the link in the text above. Happy Tuesday.